Bullish band convention cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $8.19 and $15.47 by 2030. Market experts accept band could reach $6.37 by 2025. Bearish band convention market cost expectation for 2023 is $1.46. Band convention presentation. The presence of numerous conventions, both incorporated and decentralized, has made a requirement for a scaffold between them for quicker exchanges, network simplicity, idleness, and broad associations. Band convention assembled this scaffold and disposed of the requirement for go-betweens while encouraging security and unwavering quality. Notwithstanding, towards the finish of the second quarter of 2022, the whole market went down a twisting including band convention. In this video, we discuss the previous value activity of this token. The examination will give us a knowledge into the future cost expectations, the basics hidden in it, and whether it's a wise venture for your portfolio over the long haul. What is band convention? Band convention was made in 2017 to make a scaffold between the customary web and the blockchain by giving genuine information to the decentralized organization. It is controlled by an aggressive group drove by Soravis Srinawakun, an accomplished programming engineer and specialist, going about as the chief, and Sorowit Suryakarn filling in as the CTO. It presents an answer for blockchain profits, which is the detachment to true information on the chain. This is a hindrance to the extension of the DeFi environment and the improvement of utilizations inside the blockchain, all in all on the grounds that their purposes are inside a shut framework. Band convention kills the requirement for go-betweens and the issues in regards to versatility and information security during association by relying upon its local blockchain, which was at first sent off on the Ethereum blockchain. However, at present works with universe created between blockchain correspondence convention. The security framework inside the convention is empowered by a designated confirmation of stake agreement component. Band convention current cost. Band convention is right now worth $1.82 USD. Band has moved 8.85% as of now with an exchanging volume of $31,407,100. Band convention is right now positioned 193 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $98,527,151 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for band convention to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Band convention value expectation 2023. Band convention, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The band cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $2.73. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $2.55 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Band is supposed to have a base worth of $2.18. Band convention value expectation 2024. In 2024, band convention band cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of band will before long outperform $4.55. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the band's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, band will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3.64 and a typical exchanging cost of $4.01. Band convention value forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $6.37 and band might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Band is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5.83 and a low of $5.46 in 2025. Band convention value expectation 2026. Assuming band convention effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the band coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, band will be green in 2026. The band is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $8.19, with a base cost of $7.28 and a typical cost of $7.65. Band convention value forecast 2027. After some broad guanching and specialized investigation, we gauge the band cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $9.47 by 2027, with a base cost of $9.10 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, band has a most extreme value worth of $10.01. Band convention value expectation 2028. because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $11.29. On the off chance that band figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $11.83. Neglecting to assemble the help band needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $10.92. Band convention value forecast 2029. While band is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $12.74 and a yearly cost close above $13.65 in 2029. Band convention value forecast 2030. By 2030, band convention will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $14.56 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $15.47, averaging out at $14.93. Band convention value forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme band cost in 2031 is projected to be $17.84 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $17.11. And, from our examination and cost gauges, obviously expectations are not uniform on the genuine cost of these tokens, as a result of many variables that will conceivably influence it, like unofficial laws, organizations, new headways on the blockchain, or the overall set of laws. Doing a reasonable level of effort prior to financial planning is supposed to be your watchword. What is the band convention cost today? Today, band convention is exchanging at $1.82 with an all-out market capitalization of $98,527,151. Is band convention a wise speculation? Band convention ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that band is a decent decision of venture. How high can band convention go? The typical cost of band convention might potentially reach $2.55 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that band convention might outperform $11.83. What amount will band convention be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising fame of cryptographic money and band convention, a drawn-out interest in band could see the value ascend to $11.83 inside the following 5 years. What amount will band convention be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into band convention today, similarly as with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of band might actually ascend to $23.12